Good morning and welcome to your e-learning lesson today for HBS on this really brisk cold day. I hope you're all staying warm. So we just finished up digestive system design. So the next project we're going to be doing is related to creating your own experiment and going through the process of the scientific method. So we've been learning about that since as long as you can remember, really, in school. They've been teaching the scientific method. So, another way to think about it is the engineering design process. It essentially is going through the same steps, but it just goes through it maybe with different word usage and a reflective piece at the end where you're going back and evaluating whether or not your hypothesis was correct or whether or not your experiment needs to be defined by different variables. So today what I'm going to have you do is watch a video that introduces you to that design process and then apply it to some problem or situation that you're having in your own life. So just to be able to start thinking about that process because you're going to be working with a group in this next project and you're going to be developing a a hypothesis that you want to test. You're going to be defining the variables, actually testing the experiment, and then writing a formal lab report. So I just want you to start thinking about that process. So this can be anything from which detergent is gonna work better to get out a stain that I have, or I have a bookcase that keeps falling over, or anything that's a problem that needs a solution. And so I'm going to have you kind of define what would be your hypothesis, what would be variables that you would be testing, what would be a brief overview of how you would test that specific hypothesis, and then apply that knowledge a little bit just to get you thinking. So I hope you have a good day. I hope you stay warm, and I'll see you probably Friday. I'm not sure if tomorrow, but we'll see how things go. So have a good day.